Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? The dynamic duo is at it again. Guess what? Jess and I, we're going to do a giveaway. Are you excited? I am. We love giving stuff away. And guess what we got? We got a slamming giveaway this time. So, we got some stuff to give away from the IPSY. So Jess and I ordered one of those things from the IPSY, you know, one of those real good ones. And they shipped it to us and it's in this box. You want to see what it is? Like, I almost don't want to give it to you. I want to keep it for myself. You know why? Because it's this cute little thing. It is so cute. This is the thing I don't want to give you. I'm just kidding. Look at this. Oh, look. Isn't that the cutest little precious thing? Look. This is Too-Faced. And I think it's all sealed up. So I'm not going to show it to you. But I think that this is the kissable. Kissable. You reckon it tastes good? I don't know. You want me to get John up here to taste it? You want me to put some on me and let John taste it? He probably would. Oh my goodness. It says, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It says, look, and it does say it. It says, look and taste more tempting. Y'all gonna have to let me know. Whoever wins this, you're gonna have to let me know. You're gonna have to taste it and tell me. Look and taste more tempting than a fresh baked batch of gingerbread cookies with this sparkling body powder that veils your skin in an all-over gingerbread flavored sexy glow. I wonder what you're supposed to be doing with this stuff. Kissable body shimmer. Irresistible powder. Okay, so I think I saw this up in the Ulta, and there's a big body like powder puff, you know, so you can puff it, so you can powder it all over your body. Now where you want to powder it at, that's up to you, baby. That's up to you. I'm just saying. But it's supposed to be real pretty, and you know, what you do with it, that's up to you. But anyway, it's cute as all get out. It is so cute. And anyway, I think it's just adorable. What you do with it, that's your business. Look, I'm rocking out my look. I got my look going on. So then, look here. Here's something else we giving away. Now I got this, and this is the Bomb Diggity Boo. Right here. Huda Mauve Obsessions. This is so pretty. Here, I'll show it to you, because I can put it right back in here. I love this palette. Look at that. Ah, those are my wheelhouse colors right there, baby. Love it. Okay, so that's going in there. It is so good. And then I got a Buxom deluxe size sample in, is this, I think this is Claire. Dude, my eyeballs are getting old. So Claire, I think is the shade name. Anyway, it's beautiful. And this is the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist. This is wonderful. Just give it a little bit of shake, because it's a dual phase. Dual phase, I learned that. Water and oil. And then here is also a Pacifica Get Lit Multi-Highlight Liquid Highlighter. And guys, look, the cutest little Jules Smith. It's a it says designed with love in Venice, California, and it is the cutest little necklace. So, and it comes in this cute little baggie, and you're getting that too. Isn't that a wonderful giveaway? Look. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece giveaway. Oh my goodness, isn't that awesome? So it's going to be a giveaway on my channel and a giveaway on Jess's channel. So you've got 2 chances to win the exact same thing, just like before. On my channel, you know, I filter by the words enter me. So all you got to do is say enter me in the comments. And that's how I do my random comment picker. Jess will do hers how Jess does hers. But you have a chance on my channel, you have a chance on Jess's channel. And so I will leave the ending date. I'm pre-filming this, and I will leave the ending date for the giveaway. It will run for 1 week, so 1 week from today when it's aired, and I will leave the actual date that the giveaway ends in the description box. But the rules are that you have to be 18. This is not affiliated with YouTube. This is my giveaway. And all of the official rules are down in the description box. I always post the official rules down in the description box. So be sure and look there for all of the deets. But it will be selected by random comment picker, and you have to be subscribed to my channel with your notifications turned on so that I can check to see that you are actually subscribed, because my giveaways are for my subscribers. So be sure that I can go on, because I do check, and see that you are actually subscribed to my channel. And so yeah, so the dynamic giveaway duo is added again, and you have 2 chances to win, one on my channel and one on Jess Gus's channel. So yeah, I'm so excited to open this giveaway up, and it runs for 1 week. And so yes, and then we will be picking the winner 1 week from today. So good luck. I love this giveaway. I love these products. They are stellar products. One from Huda, one from Too Faced, one from Pixie, Pacifica, BOXY, Jules Smith. How much better can you get? Not much, in my opinion. I love these products. So yeah, so I am so excited to be doing this. There are other giveaways going on my channel. Be sure that you check that out. I've got my skincare giveaway going on. I have got another little giveaway that's tucked into a video somewhere. Have you found it? Are you in on that one? Have you put in for that one? Have you found that one? If you're not watching to the end of my videos, you might be missing out on some. So yeah, so hopefully you've found that little giveaway. But yeah, I'm so excited to do this with my giveaway partner, and yeah, so let me know what you think about this giveaway, and I hope that you are liking the products that we are selecting for our giveaways, and good luck to you. So if you're not subscribed to my channel but you'd like to be, it's really easy. All you got to do is click on the red subscribe button down below. If you want to be notified whenever I post further content to my channel, all you got to do is click the post notification bell. YouTube will be happy to send you a little hint that there's something new to watch on my channel. I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well, and that your week's going great. And I will see you in my next video. But for now, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye-bye. See you next time.